Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this equation from functions. For the function f of x is equal to 3 minus 2 raised to the power negative x, find the value of f of 3. So the first thing you need to do is just rewrite the function, that is f of x is equal to 3 minus 2 raised to the power negative x. Then now, to obtain f of 3, meaning to get this function when x is 3, we just substitute the value of x as 3. So we're going to have 3 minus 2 raised to power negative x, and in this case x is 3. So that is going to be 3 minus, you can write this using the laws of indices, that is a number a raised to a negative power is the same as 1 over that number raised to the positive power. So we can write this is 1 over 2 raised to power 3. Okay, so that will be 3 minus 1 over 2 raised to power 3 is the same as 8. So we can use LCM in this case, or we can just use this method. I will take 3 times 8, which is 24, minus 1 times 1, which is 1, over 1 times 8, which is 8. So in this case, we're going to get, in the numerator, we have 23 over 8, which you can write as an improper fraction, which will be 2 and 7 over 8. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel.